Hello bellezas, welcome back to my channel. I'm Genesis from the Genesis Way, and today I'll be following a tutorial from Chellis Curls. It feels so good to be back. I know I've been doing very sporadic videos here and there. Have a lot of stuff to do, so I mean that's great. But here we are with another video, and this time I wanted to do something kind of fun. So I wanted to follow a tutorial. As I don't know if you have figured this out yet, but I'm very lazy when it comes to my hair, in the sense of doing anything with it, hairstyle wise. I usually either let it down or I do head wraps. I do not have a lot of patience to do the little baby hairs, just do all these magnificent hairstyles. But lately I've been kind of wanting that more, kind of seeing oh my god, it looks so cute. So I decided to basically look up one of the videos from Chellis Curls, which if you don't know, then what are you doing? Her name is Franchelli Rodriguez. She does curly hair videos, but also she does beauty, she does makeup, she does lifestyle stuff on YouTube and on Instagram, so you can go ahead and follow her up. I'm gonna put her information down there. And to me, it's she's one of the geez, when it comes to freaking hairstyles, hairstyles are so amazing. It makes you wish that you can just do all of this stuff with your hair. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I found one of her videos. I haven't looked at it completely. I just saw the beginning of it because I didn't want to necessarily I want to be prepared, but not really much. So I hope I have everything. Obviously, I know she's gonna use a gel, so I'm using the Botanica Beauty styling gel, which is fantastic. I tend to do baby hairs with it, and honestly it holds up very well. I'm using a cream. I'm using this thing that I forgot the name of it to do your baby hairs. I have water. I have these things which I know she uses, and this is to decorate because she uses something to decorate on her hair, but I don't have what she has, so I'm gonna use this. And basically let's see how it goes. So let's start.
Results are to die for. My hair is
She looks
soft,
gorgeous, and I'm so excited for this.
Everything turned out. So if you guys want to see how I created this
Yes.
hairstyle, what products I use, just go ahead and keep on watching the video. Alrighty, I'm starting off with freshly co-washed hair.
My hair is not freshly co-washed at all. My hair is on day 6 or 7, so I apologize in advance for that. That it might not look exactly, but it's fine.
Of course, I used the co-wash from the Miracle Curls line, which I absolutely
use water.
love. It is infused with coconut oil and jojoba oil, which are two of my personal favorite oils to use in my hair. I then, of course, followed up with the 3-minute Miracle treatment, which is a deep conditioner treatment, and I used that in my hair. Left it on for obviously a little bit more than 3 minutes. Let it simmer.
One second. She's going too fast. Okay, so also I'm gonna try to do this on one. I'm gonna try not to go back. Just trying to do it because I think that's also good. You know what I mean? I feel I have done tutorials, and I hope they're easy to follow. So let's see if this is easy to follow as well. So I'm putting a little of the curl cream from Botanica to just kind of do something, because my curls are, dying for some hydration and moisturizing. So anyway, I see here that she's parting her hair, so I'ma do that now. Oh my god, okay.
In my hair for about half an hour, and my curls ended up super soft and luscious.
This is so... It's gonna be more difficult than I thought. Okay. Okay, it's somehow parted, and then she's parting it this way, so I'm gonna continue. Come on.
Just ready to be styled. I began by dividing my hair into 2 sections.
Obviously, mine has been a little more difficult because my hair, for obvious reasons, it's all, let's continue.
The first thing that I did was saturate the section that I'm going to be working with. I tucked away the rest of the hair so it's not in the way, and it'll just make the styling portion much easier. I'm going to be detangling this section to make sure that there are no tangles. This way, while I'm applying the products, it's just really, really easy to do.
Hard, so okay.
The first product I'm going to be using is the Aussie Miracle Curls Leave-In Detangling Milk. Now this stuff smells amazing, as does the rest of the line.
In its case, I'm going to be using the curl cream.
Slip. Although my hair was already detangled, this really does have some good slip, and your fingers just glide right through. I made sure that this section was really coated in that product, since that's the only one I used to cover this section. And you can already see how shiny my hair stayed with just the leave-in detangler. So I applied a little bit more just to make sure my edges are nice and coated. I don't want any dry edges, so I put that all around. And now I can begin styling my hair. Now this style is very easy. You just need rubber bands and a comb, and you'll be good to go.
Okay, we are moving fast. She is. Okay. We got this. So she has rubber bands, which I do have here. So basically what she's doing, obviously you're seeing the video too, but anyway, what she's doing is taking this part over here, right? And let's see the piece.
The first section is like a triangle, and the second one is also following the first triangle, and the third, the second triangle. So it's very repetitive, very similar, and just kind of keeping the same momentum, having it go straight back at an angle. Now you are going to have a little piece of hair left over because of the way I divided my hair in the beginning. I just did it as a guide so that the lines would be nice and straight. At this point, I did my edges because I love, tamed and nice.
Oh my God, wait. Okay, so I'm failing at this. This is why I don't do this, because you see all this work? This is like a lot of, you know what I mean? Like, it's so much work. I mean, it looks fantastic, don't get me wrong, I'm just saying. Then you have to think about taking this off. This is what I wanted to do. I wanted to follow a tutorial. I'm definitely doing this so incorrectly. So next,
edges. It's so much easier doing your edges before securing that section with a rubber band, because once you secure it with the rubber band and you start brushing your edges, I feel like it leaves those little bumps that look kind of weird, and then you're tempted to put bobby pins. And bobby pins in this particular section will definitely ruin the hairstyle.
Okay, I messed something up already. Fantastic. This third one was not supposed to be like this. Oh my God. Okay, so this should be all together. And basically what she did was having this all together here, right? And then taking it on, I'm gonna put a little gel here because she looks like slick. Then we're gonna put this up in here. There's also a lot of arm work, and I'm not for, you know what I mean? But it'll be okay. Just gonna put this really nice there, and let's attempt to do some baby hairs. All right, so I am attempting and miserably failing at doing my baby hairs, and now I understand what she was saying as to why she does her baby hairs before, because as you can see right now, this part over here should be with this part over here, so it doesn't look like that. So now I'm gonna take this off again and attempt to do that in a right way. But if it doesn't work, then we're just gonna continue that way, because this is as much as we can do at this time. But as you can see, you see how she has it on her video? That's the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be all slick. And this is the part that is most difficult for me, because I can't do it, man. As hard as I try, it's just been so, Let's continue.
Now that I've divided my hair into 3 sections, I put away the remaining hair with the back. I can begin my braiding, and here I'm just doing a regular Dutch braid going straight back. I'm not...
What the heck have I done? I can do a braid? Okay, let's... Why? Why did I have to choose this one? Why? Can you, anybody, answer me this? It's okay, it's okay. Like I said, we're practicing. When you practice, you practice.
Braiding it all the way down. I'm just braiding it until where this third section ends, because I'm going to secure it with a rubber band. You can braid the rest of it if you like, if you want your bun to look braided, but I personally wanted my hair to have a messy space bun at the top, so I didn't braid the braid all the way down, but you totally can, and that'll give a different vibe to the look. I'm gonna go ahead, separate the braid a little bit because my hair is damp, so it does look very small, but once it's separated, I'm good to go, and repeat the same process on the other side. So now that...
So, the braiding is not gonna happen from my part. So what's gonna happen is that I'm gonna do this, right? And I'm gonna put it all together like that. So next, I'm gonna work.
For the styling products, I'm going to be going back in with the leave-in detangler. I love this stuff. It works amazing in my hair, and it's just full of hydration and moisture, and it also has really, really good ingredients, including coconut oil and jojoba oil. And then I'm going in with my second all-time favorite product. Actually, this is my first favorite product from the line. I just love it. This is the Frizz Taming Cream. And this is a little bit thicker.
I'm not using leave-in because I actually don't use leave-ins really, so that's why I'm using this cream.
And those two
but
products
it is working. It's basically to just style your hair.
I want to be a little bit extra and add an extra product to this routine. This is the Miracle Curls Mousse. Now, this has been my favorite mousse, period. I've never tried a mousse that leaves my hair super moisturizing and dry and non-drying. It's crazy because it's like, what? I just love this mousse. I fell in love with it the first time I used it. I've been using it ever since with this routine. Again, I was very generous with the products that I used because I did want my hair to stay in place and stay intact throughout the week. You guys already know my technique for doing my hair. I use the diamond brush, which is my best friend, and I just do it like this into small sections, break the diamond brush, and then just shake those curls to activate, and of course, I scrunch my hair. Now that all the curls are saturated in product, they look beautiful, super defined, and
they do look beautiful though. I mean,
before drying it out, I like to make sure that I take a cotton t-shirt to just scrunch out the rest.
So basically what she did is,
this is just going to help speed the drying process.
Obviously hers looks amazing. Mine looks like
more, so that's going to give them more
stupid, this front part over here, but whatever. We ain't talking about that right now.
I'm going to go ahead and diffuse my curls off camera, and I'll be right back. These are my results. Tell me these curls are not luscious and beautiful. Oh my goodness, I can't. So now I'm going to be creating the space buns, which I'm going to be using.
So basically, I'm not going to do that last part because I'm not going to diffuse it because my hair is pretty, it's dry. It dries pretty fast right now since it's not, like super hydrated. So I'm gonna go to the next part, which is her doing the space buns, and we will be done. Like that is that easy. So let's see.
It's just a rubber band, to be honest, to just hold it in place. Sometimes it can be a little wonky or like not the way you want it to be, so you can make it as messy as you want. I just use regular bobby pins to just pin it in place and just to give me my desired look. This bun right here was giving me a hard time, you can tell in my face, but I finally nailed it, and I did the same exact thing to the others.
So it's obviously not working, and I think it's because I don't have enough hair. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this much of this part of my hair and kind of just like do something like this and kind of just do this. Anyways, it's not that, but I did my best, and I think I feel like I would do this, but not with like doing this. I think the division thing really like messed me up. Also the fact that I cannot do braids like that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video, even though it was just kind of like a weird kind of video. I had a lot of fun. I think, like I said, Chelly is just such an amazing person that does hairstyles. Let me know in the comments below too, like who do you follow for like hairstyles. I want to just get into this more because I'm really excited. Let's share some tips and tricks over there. If you want to follow me, I have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. All the links will be down below. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. This has been the Hennessy's Way. Bye.